Why financial literacy is the superpower schools forgot to teach. Ever signed up for a credit card without reading the fine print? Or stared at your bank account wondering where your money disappeared? Financial literacy isn't just for bankers. It's the life skill we all should have learned in school. Here's the truth. Money runs the world, but most of us were never taught how to manage it. Today, we're diving into why financial literacy matters and how it can change your life. So grab your brain and your budget and let's roll. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy means understanding money, how to earn it, save it, invest it, and avoid going broke. It's knowing the difference between assets and liabilities and not falling for buy now, cry later traps. Why it's important? Because life comes with bills, debt, and taxes, and if you don't know how money works, it'll work against you. Financially literate people make smarter decisions, less stress, more options. No more payday panic or oops, rent's due again moments. What happens when you lack it? Let's be real, poor money decisions aren't always about income. It's often about knowledge or the lack of it. No budget, you overspend. No savings, you panic. No clue about credit? You get stuck with high interest forever. Benefits of being financially smart. When you get money smart, life gets easier. You set goals. You invest. You don't chase paychecks. You build wealth. Even emergencies feel less scary when your finances are in check. Easy ways to get started. Start with the basics. Make a simple budget. Track your expenses. Yes, even the coffee. Watch finance YouTubers, read blogs, use budgeting apps. And most importantly, ask questions. Be curious. How countries teach financial literacy. In countries like Finland and Australia, kids learn about taxes and savings in school. In the US, you might get a personal finance class, if you're lucky. Malaysia's improving with more youth financial education campaign. Wherever you are, you don't have to wait for school. Start learning now. Tip 1. Set a small savings goal, even $25. Start small, seriously, even saving $1 a week adds up. Set a goal like $50 emergency fund or $100 for my next trip. Pro tip, open a separate savings account and name it. Calling it "Don't Touch This" really helps, trust me. Tip 2. Read one game-changing finance book. Reading just one good money book can completely shift how you think about money. Start with Rich Dad, Poor Dad if you like stories, or The Psychology of Money if you want mindset-changing lessons. Bonus, they're super beginner-friendly and not boring textbooks. Tip 3. Try investing with beginner-friendly apps. Apps like Stashaway or Warhead let you invest small amounts, like $2 or $10. You don't need to be rich or know stock market lingo. These apps use robo-advisors to automatically invest your money in safe, diversified portfolios. It's like putting your money to work while you sleep. Tip 4. Cut impulse spending. Yes, that cart. Build an online cart just to see how much it costs. Yeah, same. Try this instead. Wait 24 hours before checking out. Ask, do I really need this or just want it right now? Unfollow online stores on social media. You'll stop getting tempted every 5 minutes. Cutting back on small impulsive buys adds up big time. Tip 5. Learn the basics so you're in control. You don't need to be a finance pro. Just understanding simple stuff like budgeting, compound interest, and how credit cards work already puts you ahead of most people. Because when you understand how money works, it doesn't control you. You control it. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment on your number one money mistake. Stay tuned.